Hello my friend, nice to see you again, and this time I will show you how I put this side door of this GoPro camera. How do I put it back? If sometimes happens that you take this, you open this and the side door and it goes away. And how do I put this back? Because it's a little bit difficult if you try to put it like this and like this. It's really difficult to put, but there is one trick how to do it, and the trick is, and you really need to be really careful that you don't break this part when you put this side door back there. And here's also some rubber, and you need to be also careful that you don't break this rubber. So how do I put this back there? And there is one really simple trick. What you need to do is that you need to do like this. Wait a second. You need to slide this door, and when you have slide this part here, when it's like this, then this door is really easy to put back there. You just put it like this, put it like this, and now it's there, and it's okay now. And then you can shut it, and if you want to open it, you just push there like this carefully, and now it's there. Okay, that was my information this time. So have a nice day and see you on the next video.